My name is John Wilden. I'm a registered osteopath and I've been working in rural mid Wales for over 39 years. I started last year because I did one of the days walking last year. I've known Iolo for over 20 years, and so I'd said to him that I was more than happy to be involved with the walk this year, but basically not only to do the walk but also to sort of help Dylan and the medics and sort of do legs and feet and shoulders, because that's what I do. There is no stress involved in training in this part of the world, because I just turn left or turn right and I'm just in fantastic countryside. You know, I'm so lucky. You know, it's just fantastic just to be able to enjoy the countryside, and so that is our gym. You know, yes, we all use gyms, but we've got a real gym which changes every day. It's fantastic. I am feeling nervous about it because for all the different walks I've done, you know, this is a different ask. Walking on tarmac essentially for 8 days, day after day, is a hard call, particularly at this time of the year. Make no mistake, this is a very tough challenge, and you know, this is the challenge really. This is the challenge we have to keep the air ambulance flying.